Look at that. Oh my. Alright guys, look at this thing. That's coming from the inside of the differential. And there was like some of them actually really caught my hand, and of course it was a surprise, kind of caught me by surprise, being more oil than I wanted. Got a towel to it and extra pots to pour in, but there's gonna be some big surprises waiting for me once I open it up. So we can clean up the magnet. Needs a little more, but look at all this stuff right here. All that thing is just a chunk of metal. Big pieces. And there was some of them more longer and sharper, but they're in the pan. Need to get those out. Well, if it looks like you got some noise inside your differential, you might want to take a look at this thing. This might be your problem. These gold nuggets. And look at this thing right here. This thing is like hanging in here. I cannot get it out. I'll try to get it out. Big chunk. She doesn't look like it wants to come out. So, yep. Definitely not recommended driving when you have that.